Let's keep spending your day back in this video. Period. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day. I don't even know what Vlogmas it is, but it's gonna be on the screen. So guys, today I decided to do a cleaning video before the holidays. So I'm gonna be cleaning my room because my room is a literal mess right now. It's been like 5 days since I cleaned my room. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the before and then I'm gonna clean and show y'all the after. So please let's not make fun of my room. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with my bed because just look at it. These are plain clothes that I just threw in my bed before I left this night because I was looking for something to wear. Okay guys, so this side of the room is done. This is trash. This is my winter clothes bin that I brought from college and my shoe bin. And then this has just extra shoes in it. These are Jalen's pants, my boyfriend's pants. I'm just gonna put them in my closet because I'll bring them back or give them back to him when I go back home. When I go back to college. And then this is my sheets and stuff from my bed, and these are my work clothes. I just like to leave my work clothes up there because it's kind of annoying going in my closet for them every morning. I'm gonna light this candle now, so I'll be back. Okay guys, the candle's lit. Oh yeah, ignore this table. This is the table I did my gingerbread house video on. So now I'm gonna work on this side of my room. This mess right here. Sorry, ignore my ring light, sorry for the glare. But I'm working on this side of my room. Okay guys, so this is the bathroom. I just cleaned the sink area a little bit. I lit another candle in here. And I didn't really do anything to my shower because, I don't know. I'm gonna deep clean my bathroom another day, but I just swept the floor and cleaned the toilet and the sink. So that's that. The next thing I'm gonna do is vacuum, and I'm actually gonna bring down this comforter and the rest of the stuff I need to bring down over there, and then I'm gonna wash this comforter and bring the vacuum up. y'all. So right now I'm making my dinner for work tomorrow while I'm in the process of cleaning the house. I have broccoli and some salmon in here, and I'm warming up some mashed potatoes right now in the microwave. So while that's in the microwave, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor. So okay guys, so I have mashed potatoes ready. So I'm just gonna put this into the pan too. So this is gonna be my snack for work tomorrow. I'm obviously not gonna eat this whole bag, but I don't feel like putting it into a like Ziploc bag because it's already like a zippable bag. Okay guys, the washer still has 20 minutes. So as the washer's still running, I'm gonna go vacuum upstairs. But this is what it looks like down here. That's Gerald's box that he plays in. And camera doesn't want to focus. And then this is dirty clothes, but I'm gonna put them in the washer after the comforter's done. Kitchen looks pretty clean. I took out the trash. Well, I put the trash outside the door. I'm gonna take it out when I go out to pick up my mom for the airport. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm basically done cleaning now. I cleaned my bed, or I made my bed. My comforter is in the washer still. And yeah, it's pretty clean. So that's basically all I'm gonna clean today. So that's basically the end of my video, since this basically just was a clean with me video. I cleaned my house, my room and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about the lighting video. My LED lights are downstairs now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah. See you on my next video. Love y'all.